Hello everyone, welcome to another Notion tutorial video. Now actually this is not a tutorial video, this is top 5 free Notion habit tracker templates that you can get for free. Now as you know, Notion has its own template gallery right here. Here you can find a lot of different things like goal tracker, templates of the month. You have templates in design, education, engineering, marketing, personal, and stuff like that. You have free templates here, a lot of free templates. As you can see, we have, for example, this habit tracker, right? So what we're looking right now in this video is 5 free templates with Notion habit tracker templates basically. Now first on the list is this one, right? As you can see, you can track your 2023 personal organization, and yeah, basically you can track anything, right? You can track habit, New Year's vision board. You have New Year's vision board as well. You have minimal dashboard right here, as you can see. You have reading goals tracker as well, meal planner. You have a lot of different things right here. So this is the whole organization bundle in one, right? So let's say you want to go to template gallery, right? Notion.so/templates. Here you can actually go and type in habit tracker, or you can go and type in goal tracker, and then you can pretty much click on it and you will see that you can pretty much duplicate this. It's free, right? You can duplicate this template in your own Notion. So this is number one, right? That I show you. Now there are different types of habit trackers. For example, this one is a different habit tracker, as you can see. Also has again habits, right? All the links will be in the description, by the way, guys. And again, best way to track daily, weekly, and monthly habits in one place. As you can see, this is how it looks like. Monthly, you have habits database as well, which is really great. So this is number two. Number three, we have smart goals tracker. So if you are someone that wants to track your goals, you can also track your goals here on this one, right? This is how it looks like, what habits I need to make to achieve my goals, stuff like that. So this is another kind of like habit tracker, but in a different way, which is a goals tracker. Then we have habit tracker, which is the minimalist habit tracker. This is actually on Gumroad, guys. So you can actually name a fair price, and you can, I think, put a $1, or actually this is for $9. But there are some other free habit trackers as well. So for example, this one is I think free. Yeah, you can see $0. You can put $0 here. You can add it to cart, and then you can have this habit tracker basically for yourself and add it to Notion. So, and then we have last one, which is weekly habit tracker. This is also $0. You have basics to track your habits. As you can see, weekly goal customization. You can set your own motivational messages and quotes and stuff like that, right? So these are top 5 free Notion habit tracker templates. Now there are a lot of other templates. Here, if you go to notion.so templates, just go to search for whatever templates you want. Let's say you want free Notion habit tracker templates, then go habit tracker, and then you will see here some of the templates, and then just click on the template and it will drag it right here. So as you can see here, you can basically duplicate this in your own Notion if you're logged in, and you can start pushing and editing your habits. So that's basically it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, all the links are down in the description, so check them out, and we'll see you in the next video.